Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. So today's video, I am tackling my wardrobe. I am going to do the Konmari method of decluttering where I touch every single piece of clothing and ask if it sparks joy. If it does not spark joy, it is going in the trash. Well, and by the trash, I mean going to donation. If you saw my last video, if you haven't, definitely check it out. My friend Katie is transitioning into an extreme minimalism lifestyle. She's actually looking to move into a tiny house. She has honestly halved all of her belongings, and I've just been so inspired by that. So I wanted to tackle my wardrobe. It's the new year. I wanted a fresh start. I wanted to get rid of clothes that I don't like, just holding me down. So I just wanted a fresh start, and I wanted to just tackle all my clothes. So here I am. I'm just going to be piling everything onto my bed and going through it piece by piece. I'm going to let some music play, and then I will pop on throughout the video to show you the final result and stuff like that.
It's been a roller coaster, but you stayed. And now I'm taking over for the day. Cause I can be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Cause you and I will never fade. And I could be what you wanna be. And I can feel but you laugh at me. Take me to a place I'm calling for. Open up the doors I'm knocking on. I'm losing control. Be the one to leave my fantasy. Show you crave your hands all over me. I'll never let go. Cause I'm falling for love. I'm falling cause tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm falling. I'm falling. Tell me why I'm falling. Oh, life's calling, but it's hard because I'm
So this is everything that I got rid of, guys. I got rid of just over like 2 garbage bag fulls. Sorry, I know that clip was short, but you guys get the idea. So now I'm going to be sorting everything, things that are going to be hung. Things that are going to be hung, and then things that are going to be folded. And then from there, I'm going to sort it even more by like pajama pants, or just regular pajamas, athletic wear, t-shirts, shorts and jeans, that sort of thing, like sweaters. And then I will be folding it the Konmari style, Marie Kondo's style of folding. I've never folded my clothes this way. It's not perfect, but I give it a try. And then I'm also going to be hanging everything that needs to be hung. I did edit out some of me folding. I just honestly didn't think that you guys would want to watch me fold laundry for like 20 minutes. So that is what I am doing in this clip.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try. Cute as hell, baby. Hotter than flames. Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. Know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm
Alright guys, that wraps it up. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it inspired you or motivated you to get your own decluttering done. It feels really good, guys. I am so excited to start off the new year with just everything fresh and organized, and the only things in my closet are the things that I love and that make me happy. So I am ready. I'm excited. I hope you are too. I love you guys from the bottom of my heart, and I will see you in the next video.